Hey, Eric here at River Valley Marine, bringing you guys today the Sea-Doo GTI 130 SE. This machine comes in Laguna Green and Eclipse Black. Comes equipped with sound, rear view mirrors, got IBR, LCD screen, trim system on this. It's a 3-person machine. 130 horsepower. There's a rear boarding ladder. Also comes equipped with the link system in the back. You can put a cooler on this or accessories, extra fuel caddy. It is a fiberglass top cap and poly bottom hull setup. Helps saving some cost. Plenty of storage in this front storage compartment. And also a spot for your cell phone and other personal belongings. Overall, a really affordable machine.